Eyes locked from across the room, hot sweat dripping, bright neon lights. She moves smooth, heart skipping tunes. I'm lost in a rhythm as the bass.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to the family. My name is Dineo. If you've been supporting me, thank you for your continued support. If you haven't subscribed, honey, what are you waiting for though? Please do click on that subscribe button, like and share my video as well. Click on the notification bell so that you know when there's new content available for you to watch. And please do not skip ads. Please do not skip ads. I would truly appreciate that. And do connect with me on Instagram as well. I will link my Instagram handle somewhere on the screen. It is yet another creative Monday, so we are doing this look together. Stay tuned.
We're dancing in the dark, a trance of glory. A trance of glory. The opalescent lights, our worlds collide. A touch electric sparks flying as our hands glide. In the hum of the crowded room, her words cut clear. A dialogue profound, pulling me near. No pretense in the grip, no hollow words spill. Only the truth of the moment, that's real. In the swirl of dim lights and fleeting glances, we found a rhythm of our own, taking our chances. Her voice a melody, a touch a guide. In the chaos of the night, we chose not to hide. Just two souls chasing ecstasy, exploring desires, wild and free, no labels define our story. We're dancing in the dark, a trance of glory. A trance of glory.
Starry night, angel lights, the stars alight. When you came into my life, hands in hands, heart to heart, lips on lips, loving kiss. We are one. underneath the moonlight, underneath the moonlight, underneath the moonlight.
Have we done? We have forgotten ourselves and each other, well, in the process of being right. Can we live together as we did despite very different lives? We have been missing each other, sisters and brothers, and we have been stumbling around in the dark, on the ground, in the night, and it just ain't right. Where are we now? Are we too proud to see each other through different eyes, to strive to leave the past behind and move to higher heights? 'Cause we have been missing each other as sisters and brothers, and we have been stumbling around in the dark, on the ground, in the night, and it just ain't right. No, it just ain't right. No, it just ain't right. Right. No, it just ain't right. Have we always been the creatures of the night? Can we all begin to see by turning on the lights and make things right? We gotta make things right. 'Cause we have been missing each other, sisters and brothers, and we have been stumbling around in the dark, on the ground, in the night, and it just ain't right. No, it just ain't right. No, it just ain't right. Right. No, it just ain't right. We gotta make things right.
Eyes locked from across the room. Hot sweat dripping, bright neon lights. She moves smooth, heart skipping tunes. I'm lost in a rhythm as the bass ignites. Curves like poetry, tender whispers in the air. Her touch sends shivers, electrify my skin. In this crowded haze, we ignite the flare. Love connection where we both fit. Just two souls chasing ecstasy, exploring desires. Wild and free, no labels define our story. We're dancing in the dark, a trace of glory. A trance of glory. Beneath the opalescent lights, our worlds collide. A touch electric sparks flying as our hands glide. In the hum of the crowded room, her words cut clear. A dialogue profound, pulling me near. No pretense in a grip, no hollow words spill. Only the truth of the moment, thrill that's real. In the swirl of dim lights and fleeting glances, we found a rhythm of our own, taking our chances. Her voice a melody, her touch a guide. In the chaos of the night, we chose not to hide. Just two souls chasing ecstasy, exploring desires. Wild and free, no labels define our story. We're dancing in the dark, a trace of glory. A trance of glory.
Starry night, angel lights, the stars alight. When you came into my life, hands in hands, heart to heart, lips on lips, loving kiss. We are one underneath the moonlight. Underneath the moonlight.
And loves, we have come to the end of our butterfly tutorial. I hope that there is a bit of following, but I think we did something good. I think we really we've done well, you know. I think we've really done well. Please let me know what are your thoughts about this butterfly look. Should I create more videos like this? What are your thoughts? Let me know, be honest. And if you have watched my video up until this far, I just want to say thank you so much. I truly appreciate your love and your support. If you haven't subscribed, please do consider subscribing. Like and share my video as well. Click on the notification bell so that you know when there's new content available for you to watch. Till we meet again on my next video. Bye!